Let's have a look at the room now. So we're on the 7th floor. You have the lift lobby, going through the fire doors. And then we were situated right at the end of the corridor on the right, room 702. So it's your normal credit card style key card to get in. And yeah, dual aspect vista, which was nice. Twin beds. And a sofa bed there in the corner. And yeah, pretty decent, good size. There's an air conditioning unit there. Wardrobes with an ironing board in. Bucket chair, mirror. 2 bedside tables. And the beds were relatively comfy, I must admit. So you get a desk there. You can do some work on if you wanted to. Being on the 7th floor, views aren't particularly great. We had some friends that were staying on the 16th floor that had better views. Standard telephone, coffee pods, quite a good decent sized television, and then the bathroom. Bathroom had a big mirror, shaving mirror, hairdryer, fresh towels, tissues, some hand wash and hand lotion from Esper range. And then the shower with a fixed head shower, amenities, shampoo, shower gel, body wash, and then your doucher, as I call it. And it was a decent, powerful shower, I must admit. Bit off-putting, there is a full-size mirror in there, so you can see all your jubblies. Right, we'll leave that alone. And telephone, standard telephone in the bathroom. And then the toilet itself. But yeah, it was comfortable, it was clean, it was fit for purpose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button below. And if you do like our content, please do subscribe to the channel. You'll get notifications of new videos hitting your YouTube screens. See you in the next one. Why not click on the videos above? And remember, go and enjoy yourself.